Nowruz, the ancient Iranian celebration. Nowruz, the ancient Iranian celebration, is one of the oldest surviving festivals from ancient Persia, marking the beginning of spring and the new solar year. This festival is not only celebrated in Iran but also in many other countries in the region, including Afghanistan, Tajikistan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Iraq, Turkey, Pakistan, and even some parts of China and India. Pre-Nowrooz traditions. 1. Spring cleaning, Khāneh-Tekānī. One of the most important traditions before Nowruz is Khāneh-Tekānī, or spring cleaning. It symbolizes clearing away dirt, negativity, and old things from the past year and welcoming purity and freshness for the new year. 2. Chaharshanbe Soori. On the last Tuesday night of the year, the Chaharshanbe Soori festival takes place. This includes jumping over bonfires while chanting, "My yellowness, sickness, to you, your redness, health, to me." This tradition represents people's wish to get rid of misfortune and welcome energy and happiness. 3. New Year shopping and wearing new clothes to welcome Nowruz. People buy new clothes and household items, symbolizing renewal and freshness. 4. Growing Sabze, sprouted greens. Growing Sabze, sprouted wheat, barley, or lentils, about 2 weeks before Nowruz is another important tradition. It represents greenery, life, and abundance in the new year. Nowruz and its rituals. 1. The moment of the new year, Sal-Tahvil. During the exact moment of the new year, Sal-Tahvil, families gather around the Haft-Seen Table, pray, and start the year with hope for happiness and success. 2. The Haft-Seen Table. One of the most significant symbols of Nowruz is the Haft-Seen Table, which consists of 7 items that start with the Persian letter S. Sabze, sprouted greens, symbolizes life and freshness. Singed, dried oleaster fruit, symbolizes love and wisdom. Samanu, sweet wheat pudding, symbolizes strength and abundance. Sib, apple, symbolizes health and beauty. Sir, garlic, symbolizes protection from illness. Sirke, vinegar, symbolizes patience and overcoming hardships. Seke, coins, symbolizes wealth and prosperity. 3. Visiting relatives. Ditto Bazdid. During Nowruz, families visit one another. Younger members visit elders, and receive Eid, cash gifts, as a blessing for the new year. 4. Traveling and outings. Many families take trips during Nowruz to enjoy the spring holidays. Nowruz characters. 1. Amoo Nowruz, Uncle Nowruz. Amoo Nowruz is a legendary figure in Persian folklore who arrives with the beginning of spring and the new year. He is depicted as an old man with a white beard, wearing a felt hat and elegant clothing. He symbolizes renewal, kindness, and hope. In some stories, Amoo Nowruz comes to meet Nane Sarma, Mother Frost, but she always misses seeing him because she falls asleep right before his arrival. 2. Haji Firooz. Haji Firooz is one of the most well-known figures of Nowruz. He appears in the streets, wearing a red outfit, with his face painted black, playing a tambourine, singing, and dancing joyfully. He is believed to symbolize happiness, the return of spring, and welcoming the new year with joy. 3. Nane Sarma, Mother Frost. Nane Sarma, in ancient Persian beliefs, is an old woman who brings winter. She is in love with Amoo Nowruz, but since she always falls asleep before he arrives, she never gets to meet him. When Nowruz begins, Nane Sarma leaves, marking the end of winter. Post-Nowrooz traditions. 1. Sizdah Bedar, Nature's Day. 13th of Farvardin. On the 13th day of Farvardin, people go out into nature, spending the day with family and friends. They throw their Sabze, sprouted greens, into flowing water, symbolizing the release of negativity and bad luck. 2. Returning to work and daily life. After the Nowruz holidays, people return to their normal lives, but with renewed energy and hope for the new year.